fresh, juicy, bad bitch vibes. Might meet a hoochie daddy. Hey guys, what's popping off? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're wondering why am I half naked, it's because I am going to Barcelona, but I thought why not just film like a little skincare moment, because I want my skin to look really juicy and plump, because well, I'm gonna be on a plane for 2 hours, but it's not that mad, but you know, I still want my skin to look snatched. So I've got all my favorite skincare products here, which I probably don't show a lot on YouTube because I don't do a lot of skincare routines, but this is my updated skincare routine for the morning. I've really cleansed my face, and I used a new cleanser, so I don't want to include it in this video because I don't know how it fully works yet, because it's only 2 times I'm using it. So if y'all want to see how I get my skin popping and rocking, keep on watching. So first, I keep this in the fridge so you can see it's like really cold. This is from Elite Avenue, It's like a thermal spray, but it's really, really cheap. Oh my God, that feels so good. I'm gonna put some on my body as well because I'm quite hot in here, because for some reason my heating came on. Then I go in with this. This is from Glow Recipe. This is so good. This is the hyaluronic, plump hyaluronic serum. It's actually like one of my favorites. Like, sometimes the scent is a bit annoying, but I think sometimes it is quite nice. And usually when you apply your hyaluronic acid gel, you want to make sure your skin is damp. Guys, I have been screaming all night. Basically, have you guys seen that story? Why do I feel like this is like a mini sip and slay? Have you guys seen that story? And it basically was, I think it's like the Olympics or somewhere. I think the Olympics are going on in China, and Somalia sent, basically the head of somewhere in Somalia sent, they're basically supposed to send their athlete, but she sent a family member, because I'm not sure, apparently it's corrupt. But anyway, they sent their family member who has never ever trained for any kind of Olympic ceremony. And guys, the video is just so funny. When I say I was, have you guys seen that Nene leaks? that Nene meme where she's like literally running like that and she runs out of air? That's it. Well, you just Google it. So I'm gonna use this Givenchy eye cream. This is called the Skin Perfecto. It's actually so nice because it has kind of like a pleasant finish. The only thing I don't like about this eye cream is that it's heavily fragranced. And why is eye cream fragrance? But it is really nice. Let me use the applicator because the applicator is quite cool. I kind of go in between this and the Sicily eye cream, but with eye creams it's just good to like literally hydrate the under eye. If you see this, I'll be starting and bopping it in Barcelona, child, because guys, the weather in London has been seriously ghetto. Like when I say ghetto, it's been so crazy. Like I cannot even deal with what's going on right now. So I'm just patting that. Okay, so the next thing I'll probably do is I'll probably go with some niacinamide. This one's from Sunday Riley. It's quite new. It's really nice. This is the 10% niacinamide serum. It's kind of got like a really nice texture like that. It's kind of like purpley. So I'm just gonna put that in the areas here. Just where it's really good if you've got oily skin, really good if you've got enlarged pores, really good at oil control. I love me a niacinamide. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't really used niacinamide in my skincare routine properly, but I've been using this serum for about maybe 2 months, and honestly, why did I not use niacinamide sooner? So it's quite hot in my apartment. I'm not sure why, because it's cold outside. So, well, it's not cold, it's like grey. So I'm gonna just dry this down. I might leave this fan actually, just so it's like blowing something towards me, because I'm low-key burning up. While that dries in, I'm gonna do my brows because I'm going to the airport, all packed and ready. It's like 10:30, so I've got a lot of time. I fly at, what time do I fly? I fly at 13:20. I'm so excited, but I'm actually kind of scared. I'm not gonna say why I'm scared, because if I say it, it's gonna be in my head while I do it, but the next time I do a video, I'm gonna tell you why I'm scared, and I don't wanna think about it. I don't wanna think, anyway, but so sip and slay. I feel like I wish sometimes I could just do a live one here and there, but the setup has to be crazy. But let me guys know, would you prefer the same setup that I did, like it just in my beauty room, or would you like a sit down setup? I think a sit down setup would be really cute for a live show, but I'm trying to think of a live show to do in August. But I'm definitely gonna do one when I get back off holiday, because Kiki, Ariana Grande, listen, Ariana Grande really said break up with your boyfriend on board, because guys, what is going on in the world There's just so much madness, so much tea. August in a Spider Rich Cream. Guys, if you can get a sample of this, try this, because even though I've got oily combo skin, the way this makes my skin glow for the gods. I mean, no, honestly, this honestly makes my skin. Well, actually, you know what it is though. When I wear this, it makes me feel amazing. I'm not even just saying that because a product's a product. It's child. It's like whatever. But this, honestly, like the texture, it's quite thick though. You can see it's like not as runny as the Rhode. But look, I'm gonna put one on one side. I'm gonna show you how glowy this is. It's so nice. Like, can you just see how like dewy and beautiful? Like when I'm not wearing makeup, I've told you guys this before, I like my skin to look super like healthy, super glowy, super bouncy, because like I like to have matte skin with makeup on, or natural matte skin, or a demi matte. But when I got makeup on, child, I need to be glowing, because if you're not glowing, you're looking dull. And who wants to look dull? Like the weather in England is already dull enough, child. So I'm just gonna pat that in. Guys, okay, if you don't like the feeling with SPF on your face, and you just don't like heaviness, or you want something watery, this is by Ultraviolet. This is by Ultraviolet. It's called the Fave Fluid. I keep thinking it's Fave Fluid with Ultraviolet, but it's Ultraviolet SPF 50. This, if you like Face and Body by MAC, this is like an SPF version, obviously without being too greasy. It does have a glowy finish though, but look at the consistency. It's kind of like water-based. It literally feels like nothing. Like, look how much that blends out. It has no white cast, and look how beautiful that is. Like, again, you can just see juicy, radiant skin. Okay, I've literally almost finished my routine. Let me stand where this fan is, because I'm actually so hot. Oh, I put the wrong stick. That's fine. I'm gonna put this Chanel stick on my cheeks. This is a bronzy version. I normally use the clear version, but it's fine. I'm just gonna put that here. Put that in. You guys to buy anything, but if you love a lip balm, like if you love a lip balm and a gloss, Hailey really did her thing with this. This is the Rhode lip balm. This flavor isn't my favorite though. I wouldn't get the watermelon flavor. I would get the salted caramel, or she's got a new one. No, is it vanilla? I'll just get the salted caramel one, girl. But this, the consistency, let me show you. Like, how gorgeous is this? It's a lip balm. Well, it feels like nothing, but it also looks like a gloss. And it also pairs well with lip liners, so like Pound Town, just be like Pound Town. I'm joking. Okay, so that's my skincare done for the airport. What do you guys think? Fresh, juicy, bad bitch vibes. Might meet a hoochie daddy. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Let me guys know if you tried any of these products. You know, they're cute or whatever. And I shall see you soon, guys. Love you.